Okay, we are going to start this model. So I took out the selection filter. So you can select the edge, the face, and so on. Okay. So now I say select edge. This is the edge. This is a face, surface body. So now and so on. So you can clear all the filter. So we are going to create this profile on the right plane and extrude 25 mm. So let's go to the right plane. Okay. You just draw a center point up. Click here, and click here. And draw a line. Draw a line, horizontal line, angular line. Okay. Draw line again. Draw line. Okay. So I want to I click this point and I say tangent, make tangent. Select dimension. There's an angle between this line and this line, 150. So we click this line. And we click this line. One more time. Click this line. And this line. And make 150. So there's angle of 105 degrees between this line and this line. 1/5. Okay. Now let's continue to draw line. Draw one line. Okay. Draw one line. Draw one line. Okay. Click this line. Shift click this line. And make parallel. Click this line. Shift click this line. And make sure it's perpendicular. And now we can dimension this portion as 30. Dimension 30. This one is line dimension 40. Okay. Drag it down. And make a relation this point and this point should be vertical. Just dimension the radius here. That should be 40. And okay, make this point and this one vertical. Right, undo first. Okay, make a fillet first. 75. Okay, so the distance here is 115. Then let's make a relation this one in the origin, make it vertical. And drag this one out a bit. Drag this one out a bit. Okay, let's dimension this one. 115. Okay, let's do a fillet. Fillet. This one is 35. Enter. Okay. Okay, let's dimension this distance 40. So it's 40. And this distance is 90. So now the sketch is fully defined. So we're going to extrude 25 mm. So go to feature, extrude the other direction, make it 25. Okay. So now we have this the shape done. So the next step is that we are going to do a draft. This is the draft command. So click draft. Select the neutral plane. So this is going to be the neutral plane. Okay. And then draft angle 2 degrees. So adjust 2 degrees. And draft all outer faces except the outlet face. This is the outlet face. So we draft all the outer faces. So that means here I will draft here. This is the outer surface. And here all the outer faces. So except this one. Draft all outer faces except the outlet face. This outlet face. You say okay. So you can see that there is an angle. Next we are going to fillet 16 mm. So we go to fillet, feature menu. What is fillet? Change to 16. Click here. And also below here. Okay. 16 mm. Okay. So we have done the fillet. So 11 mm here. So we go to fillet again. Change to 11. And fillet here. At the same time, here also 11 mm. So we can do in one go. So this is 1 mm. Fillet 11 mm. Okay. Now we want to shell to hollow this portion here. So go to shell, 2 mm here, 2 mm. So we are going to shell this because you want to make it hollow also. So you have to select this space and this space. Select here, 2 mm. To the preview. So now we have the shape done. So we are going to create the rib, the slot, and the hole here. So we create a plane from the face, 3 mm. That means inside here. So I select the front, the right plane. But the right plane is aligned with the face. So I go to plane. This plane you can, because I took out the plane command, you can get it from here. Okay? Plane. Select the right. Then I want it to be 3 mm. Make sure you go inward. So you go inward way. 3 mm. You can see the plane is going inside the model. If not, then you got to flip back. So let me click and hide the plane. So we are going to sketch on this plane one, 2 lines. So go to plane, sketch. So I'm going to draw 2 lines. Don't need to, the line don't need to connect to the end. Line again. Face vertical line. And just dimension this one. 125. From here, 50. Draw 2 lines on plane 1. Okay, let's do the rib command. That's it. We go to rib. Okay. Both sides. 2 mm. Here 2 mm. Okay. You can see the arrow is facing inside. So we want to have a draft angle of 3. Draft outward. Okay, natural. Okay. You can see the draft. The rib there. Already done, right? The rib is done. Next, we are going to create another plane for this portion here. The hole here. The hole is 2.5 mm below the surface. So again, you can use the right plane because the right plane is the same face there. Right plane. We click plane and change to 2.5. think I got to edit the picture. I must flip inside. Make sure it go inside. Now it's inside the body. So this is plane 2. Now let me hide the plane as well. Make it neater. So now we are going to do a full round fillet. So let's go to fillet. Make sure it's full round. Okay, so what you need to do, you select one of the face here. Click this one. Select this face. Click here. Select this face. Okay. So you can see that there's a rivet here. So we're going to repeat the process for the rib here. So fillet again. Full round rivet. Fillet. Click here. Click this face. And this face. Okay, now the fillet copy done. So now we're going to draw this portion here. So sketch on plane 2. Draw a circle. So let me go to plane 2. Sketch. Let's draw a circle. Click. Dimension the circle. Diameter 5. Distance 20 mm. So yeah, I think it's easier to convert the entity of this edge here for convert entity. Okay, and make this line instruction. Easier for me to do the dimensioning. Okay, number 2 again. Let's dimension 20. This one. So this geometry is to make easier for you to create this dimension. So now I select this edge and here and make it 4. Okay, extrude draft 3 degree outward up to next. So we go to feature, extrude boss base. So the up to next cannot be seen because the arrow is facing out, so I just turn it back. Then you can see up to next. Then the draft angle 3 degree and draft outward. So draft outward. Okay. So we are going to create a hole here. So click this face. Sketch. Let's draw a circle. Dimension. This one is 2 mm. And extrude cut 12 mm. So we go to feature, extrude cut. The arrow is pointing inward, so it's correct. So 12 mm. Okay. So the last part, and not the last part, so the last part is the slot here. So we are going to sketch on this space. So I click this space, sketch. Let's draw a circle. So maybe we okay. This way is easier to sketch. So let's sketch a circle. You find the midpoint, click dimension 17. So this 17 not necessary because actually it's located at the midpoint. So then extrude cut up to rib surface. So feature, extrude cut, up to surface. So we select this surface. Okay. So now already cut. So this is the last part that we need to draw. So click on this face, sketch. So we are going to draw a 3-point corner rectangle. Click here, click here, click here. Escape. So we dimension align dimension 2 mm, and this distance is 43. We can drag this one down a little bit. One five, and hit this point here. 115. And from here to here to here 5 mm. So the last angle, this one is 35 degrees. So second dimension 35. And then we just make an extrude cut feature to cut a depth of 12 mm. So as long as, because there's a curve there, there's a radius, so I think 12 mm should be okay. 12 mm, okay. So the next part is we are going to have a linear pattern. Linear pattern. The direction we select this edge here because we want it to follow this angle. feature and paste the pattern. We are going to pattern the cut extrude. So we want to have 3. The distance is to be 6 mm. So make it 6 here. So it close up 6 mm. Click OK. So now you can see that cut through. So the next part is we have to fillet this one 1 mm. We go to fillet, go to constant fillet, 1 mm. Select the face, select the face, and have. So the face is there. So we have completed the model. Thanks for watching. So if you want to add color to the model, simply go to here, click here. You can apply material. Say if I apply plastic. Say high gloss plastic. Then I choose one of high gloss plastic. I just drag it. Apply to the part. Okay. So this is the material. Now is material not specified. Let's one more time. Double click. Okay, maybe change to. I change to this. Double click. Okay. So another material is there. So you want to change color, click this one. Then you can change. Say if you want to, I would like to be yellow. Okay. Click it again. Go to the partner. Say on green. So now it's green. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.